पे लूंगा मैं.
Okay. Now we will identify the electronic components, resistors, identify from the motherboard of SMD and normal resistors. This is a normal resistors. You can see the resistors, the big one and the small ones, that is in high volt and low volt. See, these is a small resistors and that is a big one resistors with a high watt, and this is a small one. See, the color code is given on the resistor through which we can identify the value of the resistor. This is an SMPS circuit in which we can see the resistors. The color code is different. We will see the color code afterwards. This is a normal resistors for normal SMD, not SMD, but normal resistors components are there. And here we can see on the board. In a board we will see this is a normal value resistors. The value is indicated on the top of the resistors. This is a single resistors with a big one, and side to that there is a parallel resistors. In a one pack there is 4 resistors. Connecting from top to bottom is a 4 resistors. This is on the motherboard, laptop motherboard, and in some desktop motherboard, mobile, tablet, these type of resistor we can see. And another to these resistors, another resistor is also coming without indicating values. You can see the dark. These are the resistors without value coded. The indication is written as an R. You can see the indicator as a R. R590 is a resistor, small one without any value, and below this there is a R139 with the value quoted on the top of the resistors. These are the SMD resistors. Now we will explain you how to remove the normal resistors and how to check the value of the resistors, normal resistors. Now we will remove our normal resistors. To removing this is a single PCB. One resistor is connected from top to bottom. A single layers are there, and in laptop there is a different layers. So to remove, we will use an SMD components, and here we will use a soldering iron. See, we will apply some flux before removing the resistors. With the help of brush, we will use the flux. After applying the flux, we will use a soldering iron, big one. With the help of desolder wick, we will remove the solder which is applied on the resistors. See, we will first straight up the legs of the resistors. The resistor, which one you want to remove, to straight up its leg so that it will easily remove out. See, now we will applying the desolder wick and heating the desolder wick. You can see all the solder are removed from the PCB and attached on the desolder wick. You can see the hole. These are the hole. After applying the desolder wick, the solder stuck on this wire. Okay. Now we will remove the resistor very easily. See, it is directly removed from bottom. It is removed resistors. Now we will check the resistors value with the help of color code. Okay. First we will see, this is the resistor. We will see its color code. You can check the color. What is it written? First is brown, second is black, and third is red. Brown, black and red. Brown has a table. See, this is a resistor tables. Brown, first brown means 1. Okay, so we put as it is 1. we put 1 as it is 1. First is a 1. So first is a 1. Second is a black and third is a red. So second is a black means what? Second is a black means nothing, means 0, and red means 2. That is a 20, means its value is 1k. 1000 is equal to 1k kilo ohms. Now we will check with the help of multimeter these resistors. We will check a multimeters through the resistors, what the value, digital multimeters. See, it is an 981 ohms and we have put the multimeter in 2k. So it is an 0.980 ohms, means it is near about 1 kilo ohms. And there is a 1 kilo ohms. There is a tolerance of gold or silver. It may be plus minus 10% or 5%. So its value may be from 900 to 1100. That is a 10% accuracy. So due to the temperature and tolerance will be high or low. So it is a 980, means this resistor is okay. So to remove and check, it will show the correct value. But when you are inserting in the chips, now we will see these resistor with the help of SMD tweezers, what the value it shows. This is the SMD tweezers. Now we will connect the resistors. See what it shows. Okay, now it is showing 0.976 value. Same what we have seen in the digital. These SMD tweezers will show the 976 ohms, means near about 0.976 kilo ohms. You can see here it is written kilo ohms. And this is a resistor what we have removed and checking. Now we will check with the help of analog multimeter. We are showing 3 demos, so whatever you are using, you will understand how to measure. See, in an analog multimeter there is an waves are there. We put the probe, depend on that 1 kilo ohms or like that. The analog will be like this. We will check the ohms like that, 5 ohms or like that. 5 multiplied by means this is 500 above, it will be 800. Depend on this. Analog is very hard to understand for the pressure one, but digital is the best way to understand. The digital and analog, we have saw the difference. In a digital there is a waves directly written 2K. So the value below the 2K will show very easily. See, directly figure will be there, and here you can identify which value you have put and what is the figure. So we will use on all the trainings a digital multimeter, that is the best one to understand very easily. Okay, we have put the multimeter in 2K. If we put on 200, then the value goes outside, so it will show only 1. If we put on the beeps, then also it shows 1 value. If you more increase the 220 to 200, then it shows in 0.k, 1k, 1.0k like that, yeah, 0.9k. This is a value. This is a symbol is here, that is a ohm symbol. See, you can see the symbol ohms. This is a ohm symbols. So to measure the resistor, we will put the multimeter on the ohms. Okay, now we will put the resistors on the circuit again. After checking, we will put the resistors on the PCB. See, we will put the resistor from the back top sides. It is a non-polarized. We can put anyway, plus minus, minus plus, reverse. There is a no plus minus. It is a non-polarized items. So we will put anyway. We are inserting here. See, we have put it from here. Now we will apply the paste solder from back side. See, the ring is come here. We will just bend its leg so that it cannot be come out. Then we will apply the solders. Okay, now we have applied and it is a fix on the circuit. If you want to check on the circuit also the multimeters, through the multimeters the value, sometime it will show the OK value or sometimes some tolerance of near to that component's resistivity will be shown. Now we will check after inserting the resistors the value, what it shows. Okay, we are checking the value, it already shows same value, 0.97. If it is already shown the same value, then we don't have to remove the component. If the value is showing 000, means the resistor is short, or it shows nothing value, no value, then the resistor is open, that we can identify. So these are the normal how to check the component. If component is a short, then there will be a beep, or no resistivities, full resistors will be shown, means the value will be 000. Okay, so this is a normal resistors, how to remove and how to check. Okay, now we will go on the next chapter, we will go on SMD resistors, how to remove the SMD resistor, how to check the SMD resistor. Thank you.